Discover your own private mini farm on 2.5 acres in North Carolina, complete with a spring-fed pond, two-stall barn, and endless possibilities for horses, gardening, or outdoor living. This charming two-story, four-bedroom, two-bathroom house combines classic country character with modern comforts, making it an ideal setting for a peaceful rural lifestyle. Step outside to enjoy the 2.5-acre fully fenced property. The spring-fed pond is perfect for reflection, fishing, or enjoying the gentle sounds of water, while the two-stall barn provides ready-made shelter for horses or other animals. Multiple outbuildings and generous attic and eave storage add practical functionality for hobbyists, gardeners, or weekend projects. With ample space to personalize your surroundings, this property offers the rare opportunity to create your ideal country retreat. Enjoy quiet mornings on the porch, afternoons tending your garden or animals, and evenings under the stars in your serene rural oasis. Whether you're seeking a full-time residence, a weekend getaway, or a small farm setup, this North Carolina house delivers the perfect blend of privacy, land, and potential. Experience the freedom of country living while staying conveniently close to Lexington and surrounding areas.